Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. Live location at my crib, okay? Yep. Been doing it all day and stuff like that. Taking time off, buying us some Church's chicken or Popeye's chicken a day. My mistake? Yep. So, I mean, I've been kind of busy. And I'm tired right now. Okay, so, part 8, I do believe. Yeah, part 8 gonna be the last segment of the day. Okay, so okay, all right. So check out some mechacon and Comic-Con episodes. Okay, video clips and stuff, and even videos from our archives. Okay, all right. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the show. Okay, I can't find Kristen and Allie, and I don't know if Kyle is here, but nobody called and told me anything. Okay, so what I'm about to do, I'm gonna do one more film, and then after that, I'm going to the I'm going to John Mac picnic. Okay, I'm doing a show for YouTube. I'm talking to my viewers. Y'all don't want to be on? Oh, y'all on the show right now? Okay. All right. I don't want y'all to think I'm talking to myself. I'm doing a show for YouTube. All right. So, all right. People over here think I'm talking to myself. I'm telling my viewers. All right. So y'all have a nice day. All right. I don't know what people thinking here. Okay. So go film around. See what's happening over here and over there. So now I'm gonna be on my way to the picnic. So nobody I know over here. So let's go on the third floor. Gonna take that. Well, let me just stop my tape and I'm gonna film on other. All right, welcome back to the show. The video stopped because I ran out of film on other. So Allie, you're back on the show.
Okay.
So I can't believe Kristen couldn't make it, huh?
Yeah.
That's poo-poo, huh?
Yeah, there was two. There's
What is it?
It's poo-poo.
Yeah, it is. So Bob, are you glad to see them?
Yeah.
Randy couldn't make it, as y'all know.
I didn't get one.
All right. And by the way, you're on the Domino 7 show. You hear me? You're on the Domino 7 show. Okay. I'll take a picture of that too.
So I'm just staring at
All right. So anyway, you haven't been on my show since last year, huh? Well, since mechacon, right? Oh, everybody taking pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we good? No? Okay.
Yeah.
And ma'am, you on the Domino 7 show?
Huh?
You're on the Domino 7 show?
Wait, I can't hear what?
I say you're on the Domino 7 show, my YouTube show.
Oh, okay.
All right. Would y'all like to be on the show? You're on the show right now. Y'all want to be on my show?
What's the show about?
My YouTube show. I'm doing it for Comic-Con. All right, you're on the show right now. All right.
I'm about to say, I didn't see
So Bob, you having fun, right? All right. So.
Yeah, but where's the undercut?
All right. So anyway, what's your name, ma'am?
Sakura.
Sakura. Sakura.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your real name?
No. Her real name's Marie.
Marie. All right. Okay. All right.
Ready?
All right. Hey, can I take a picture, y'all?
Sure.
Y'all too.
Oh.
All right. So while I'm recording my show, hey, would y'all like to take another pic? Well, never mind that. Y'all ready? All right. So. All right. So all right then. So what is Sakura?
Sakura, she's a medical ninja in Naruto.
Oh, okay. I love video games, though. I'm trying to learn more about cosplay than a lot. I don't know too much, and unfortunately, my mom passed away in April. April that just passed.
Sorry.
All right, so make sure y'all watch the show here. It's called the Dominoes 7 Show Comic Con 2019. All right. Well, I did past Comic Con episodes in 5 years in a row, I think. I hope y'all watch it. Okay. Anything you want to say, Bobby?
Hi.
Okay. Well, we'll be right back. Hey, Alex. She full of poo-poo. Oh, she's full of most poo. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how long y'all gonna be?
We're going to rest for a while up there.
Well, what time you leaving town?
Tonight, I don't know. We don't have a set time.
Well, you have a set time. You're full of crap. Should I wait for y'all down here?
It'll be a while. I don't want you to just wait down here for nothing.
What you mean wait down here for nothing?
It's going to be a while.
Oh yeah. Well, don't hold the elevator for me. Hold the elevator for them.
Okay.
You know I don't like elevators. Domino 7 is claustrophobic, y'all. I need to let y'all know. Okay. Bye-bye, y'all. All right. I did. Before the recording, what did you say?
This is my playhouse, and we all just living in it.
Did she say catchphrase before? No, we can't rewind the tape because it ain't caught.
Okay.
Oh, well, what the heck? Yep. That's from Randy's Grandel photo. Randy
You mean GTA?
Yeah.
In that photo.
GTA, yeah, Randy's GTA.
GTA Randy's GTA.
Yep, Randy. You don't know Randy.
Awesome funky things.
Ding 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 ding.
I'm gonna make a new one, alright, Brian?
A new one? What you mean?
I'm gonna make a new one for myself.
Okay.
That's fine?
I hope. Long as it don't mess with mine.
It's not.
I hope not.
That's what you
Cause I'll be so, huh?
That's what you sleep in?
Oh yeah, that's what my mama's room is. Is. Okay.
Was?
All right. So I sleep in there now. I was we gonna talk about something else another time.
Yeah.
Not while I'm recording, so I better stop. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 Show live at the Convention Center. All right. Ain't that something they ain't had your meal, huh?
Oh, well.
All right. So anyway, in case y'all wondering, I'm doing the show for YouTube. All right. So it's a shame all the places taken, right? And we gotta sit on the floor and eat. Ain't that something? So how you feeling? They don't have your dinner. I gotta eat gumbo on the floor. Ain't that? Do y'all see that, y'all? We gonna go back in the studio. So I'll be right back. Oh, all right. Yep. So now record now. This a record now. You know. What you want to say? Oh.
Check my dude out.
Oh.
Not to mine out.
Oh, all right. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you. I put my birthday money. Our birthday money in the envelope. I can't. Well, I can't say it while I'm recording. So, you know. So I'm gonna tell you when I finish recording. All right. That was Sandra though. So anyway, I'm recording right now. So anything you want to say?
Man, just that 2020 been a up and down year.
Yeah. We lost a couple of people. Your grandpa and my great aunt. Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, God is still in control.
All right.
He's still blessing us. That we go still See the light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, the light at the end of the tunnel. Well, I'm gonna say what George Bush said a long time ago. We gonna steer the course.
Steer the course.
Yep. All right, let me stop this tape. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's show. Okay, but I have to say that I remember I said I was gonna continue this episode tomorrow, but I changed my mind. So this the last segment of this episode. Okay, the very best of the Dominoes Service Show video clips and archives. Okay, all right. So anyway, there's a lot of things I want to talk about though. I mean, I really enjoyed doing my show from 2010 to now. Okay, and present. You know, I love doing this with a passion. I love each and every one of y'all that ever supported Domino 7. Okay, I mean, this been the greatest day of my life doing these shows and stuff like that. I had good times and bad times, you know. Okay, canceling my first season because of what happened between me and Tanya, and rebooting my show again after that, you know. Okay, and that guy with the dreadlocks that was at the birthday party. I guess there had 2 or 3. One of them that was holding the baby, that was the father. Okay, I don't get along with that fool that much because he's a hatred person, you know. So I'll tell y'all about it another time. Okay. So thank y'all for watching the best of the Domino 7 show. Like Bob Barker would say, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the best of the Domino 7 show. Video clips and archives. All right. God bless. Goodbye.